pen, pencil, what they are? What are they? Solid. They are what? Water. And milk. Is this water and milk are solid? No. Then? Liquid. Yes, they are liquid. Is there inside this plastic? Yes. Yes. Okay. And what is this? Balloon. So I would like to call our birthday boy, Franklin. Thank you. The class? What is this? Balloon. What is there inside the balloon? Air. Okay, so class, this solid, liquid and gas in science we call they are the different states of matter. So today we will learn about states of matter. So class, before we go on what is states of matter, we should know what is matter. So matter is anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass. Say for example, stone. So, what's matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Same thing. Cite one example of matter. Good. Rob, sit down. All the basics of the physical properties of matter, they are classified into 3 states. First one is solid, liquid and gas. States of matter. First, we will explain what is solid. Class, look at this one. You can see these are in the solid state, you can see the molecules are bound together. Okay, and they are very closely packed. Do you know why they are very closely packed? Because there is a very strong intermolecular attractive force. Because of intermolecular attractive force, molecules are rigid and incompressible. And even they have a definite volume and definite shape. Definite freely. Give an example of solid.
Ma'am, a wood or pencil box, table.
Okay, good. Sit down. Box or table. Liquid. First, look at this chart. In the liquid state, each other because the intermolecular attractive force is weaker. Because of weak intermolecular force attractions, the molecules they can move freely from one to another. What is intermolecular force attraction means? Force of attraction between the neighboring molecules. So, because of loosely packed of molecules in liquids, the liquids are shapeless, but they have a definite volume. Definite volume. Take an example of liquid. Good, sit down. Example slide. Milk. These liquids they do not have definite shape, right? They are shapeless. But it occupies the shape of the container where they put it. So Kumula, now tell me what is the shape of this liquid?
Taking the shape of the glass.
Do you agree with him?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Now, let's look at this chart. In the gaseous states, molecules are separated from each other. They are too far, that's why they don't have any intermolecular attractive force. Because of no intermolecular force of attractions, molecules can move freely. They can move freely in any directions. That's why the gases neither possess a definite volume nor a definite shape. Why? Because the molecules can move freely and even there is no intermolecular attractive force. Amen. Why do gases do not have neither a definite volume nor a definite shape?
Because the molecules are separate from one another.
Very good, sit down. No definite shape. See the gas, they do not possess any shape or volume, but it occupies the whole of the volume of the container where it is kept in. See for example like this balloon. Before the balloon shape was this, right?
Yes.
Then after cranking, after you blow the balloon, I think you can see the shape.
Yes, ma'am.
But this gas is open and there is no intermolecular force of attractions. That is like air, gas other than air.
LPG gas.
LPG gas. Okay. Sit down. LPG gas, that is liquefied petroleum gas. Even if you write oxygen, carbon dioxide, these are all gas. Class, let's recapitulate what we have learned. We've learned matter. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. So, examples like stone, rock, even gold. Then on the basis of the physical properties of matter, there are classification. Why do solid have a definite volume and definite shape?
Because the molecules have an intramolecular force of attraction between them.
Because
The molecules of solid have an intramolecular
volume and definite shape. Velanka. Why do liquids are shapeless?
Because the inner molecular force is very weak.
Very good, sit down. Then we learn about gas. Gas, they neither have definite volume nor definite shape. Why not? Because the molecules are separated from each other and there is no intermolecular attractive force. Hope you understand. Yes. Okay. Class, today we have learned about states of matter. In the next class, we will learn about interconversion of states of matter. Thank you.